So you're out and about looking for the home you're sure you want to make an offer on. The perfect home after weeks of searching. But how do you know your offer will be accepted? How do you know your loan is really going to happen? Do you know with confidence if you will get your earnest money back if anything goes wrong? Well, until recently, you would have to say no to all that I have mentioned. Until PYT was created. Protect Your Transaction is a quality assurance program adopted by qualified and licensed mortgage lenders. PYT provides buyers and sellers with a financial assurance of lender performance, far exceeding the industry norms. PYT is helping lenders raise the bar one loan at a time. In short, the gold standard of loan commitments. So how does PYT help you get your offer accepted and protect you from losing your earnest money? It's simple. It's easy. When you work with a PYT certified lender, you are issued a loan commitment letter stating that you are approved. Now, the only conditions for the seller to worry about are that they provide a clear title and that the home appraises. How many buyers have their loan fully underwritten, verified, and double-checked before asking a seller to sell them their home? Want more? A PYT-approved lender is required to pay you or your seller in escrow if you have assigned the seller the failure to perform payment of $10,000. Yes, that's right. The PYT lender will give you $10,000 if they fail to perform. Yours to keep or give to the seller if you wish. Why give a payment to the seller? Is there a better way to make your offer stand out? A competing cash offer isn't a standout winner anymore if you hold a PYT loan commitment. So you're approved, underwritten, verified, offering a financial penalty if you don't perform. Tell me why your offer would not be accepted, right? You owe it to yourself to expect a stress-free purchase, an assurance of performance from your lender, and to buy the home of your choosing. Ask your agent today about Protect Your Transaction or call 866-600-3700 or go to protectyourtransaction.com for further details. It's your transaction. Make sure it's protected.